Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will be adding some extensions to my hair. Yes girl, extensions. Don't act as if it's your own hair. I will be adding some clip-ins to my hair. This is a fast and easy process. All I need for this video are, of course, the hair, my flat iron, a comb, a clip, and my hairbrush. So as you can see, I start off with just parting the hair to just attach the clip-ins to the root of my own natural hair. What I do is I measure the length and I put the longest piece in the back, and then the shorter piece goes to the middle, and then the shortest of them will go in the front to give it that layered look. And then once I have the piece in that I want in that section of my hair, I would just add some heat to just blend my hair and the extensions together. I'm using my fingers here because honestly, of all the times I put clips in my hair, I like using my finger the best because it gives me like that crooked part, and it's easier for the clips to hold on to the part when it's crooked rather than when it's super straight and smooth. So I do enjoy using my finger better than the comb. So of course you always want to like brush out the extensions before you put it in, and I'm just adding a little piece to that hair because the track wasn't long enough to come from ear to ear. So that little piece always goes to the end of that track. There's another little piece that's going to go in the end of this track that I'm applying right now, because again that track does not reach all the way to the front. So I grab another little piece and I just stick it right there. I do my best not to come to the front of my hair because my front of my hair is a little bit thin and fragile, so I don't like to add extensions or do much to the edges of my hair or the front portion of my hair. So those will typically just stay out of the extensions. As you can see, it's blending in very well. I'm loving it. And it's such a fast process, honestly. And when I have my clip-ins like this, I typically will wear them for about a week straight, and then I'll take it off because during a week when I wear it, I may curl it, flexi rod it, or do whatever, or put some braids or cornrows in my hair while my clip-ins are in. So I like to take it out at the end of the week to just, refresh it, maybe wash it and oil my scalp, and then reapply my clip-ins again. So as you can see, I will add more hair to the edges of this because I don't want the track to like really lay on a thin portion of my hair in the front. So I will go in right here and add more hair on there because I don't want any kind of pressure or tension on my front hair at all. Now my natural hair is a little darker than the extensions because I do have a U-part wig that I love to wear, and that wig is a super dark color. I think it's the number 1. So I have dyed my hair to blend in with that U-part wig. And so as you can see here, these clip-ins are maybe a shade lighter than my natural hair, but I don't mind it. It still looks so natural, and you can barely even tell. So each time you lay a track, you really want to comb or brush it out so there are no pieces attached to the clips, that you fully get them, to be blending in with your hair. So right here, I think I'm just checking the process to see if I need to add any more clip-ins, because honestly, you don't really have to add a lot of clip-ins. Sometimes I use really short clip-ins just for thickness, and sometimes I use long ones because I want my hair to have some length to it. So I have several lengths of clip-ins that I use. I think in this video I'm using about a pack and a half or maybe 2 because I'm using lengths from different packs of my clip-ins that I have. So I think I have 18 and then 14 and a 10-inch pack of clip-ins that I have, and I'm just randomly using different pieces from those packs. And as I come to the front, I add shorter pieces on there to give it that layered look that I talked about in the beginning. As you can see, the door is open and I'm talking because Jaden walks in. He's always interrupting my videos, but that's fine because he always asks questions with like schoolwork and stuff like that. So I'm always excited to help him with that. So just brushing through the hair, taking out any piece that just might be caught up in the clips. Brush it out. So if you guys would like to know how I get my natural hair to stay straight in my clip-ins, please let me know and I'll make a video. I do wear my natural hair out straight winter, spring, summer, and fall during the rain or snow, and my hair does not frizz. I do have a method that I use for that. So if you're interested in seeing that, just leave a comment below and I'll show you guys how I keep my natural hair from frizzing up on me. And that's, I guess, the last piece. I'm going to put that in the front to kind of be my bang, to make my bang a little fuller. And you can be creative with the parting, just where you want your hair to go. You can just make a part and stick it there. That's the beautiful part. And with clip-ins, I love it because I can do cornrows to my hair. I can put my hair up if I'm going for a walk or a jog or something like that. Once you're done, you just want to like go in and brush everything out and maybe feel for any imperfection or if any clips will be sticking out. You want to feel and redo any pieces that might need to be redone. But if you're good and there's nothing to be done, enjoy your hair. So there you have it, how flowy the hair is with my hair. Is beautiful. So I'm just feeling for any bumps or tracks that may be sticking out. And I caught one. So I'm just going to lay it down, take the clip out and reapply it to my root. And there you have it. Just put your hair back over a brush and you should be good to go. Yes, I'm brushing this hair a lot because I love it. I love this style so much. But I always end up putting flexi rods or some sort of a wave into the hair because I'm not really good with sleeping in straight hair that's extensions. Every time I have a weave or clip-ins that are straight, I just can never sleep and wake up in the morning with them being straight. They're always like crinkled or something. So I just put curls in them or waves in them anyways. But there you have it. This is the final look. Thank you always for coming and watching my videos. I hope this was helpful and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.